Flipping small accounts is easy, exactly what I'll show you in this video. If you are new here, welcome so much. If you've subscribed recently, thank you so much for subscribing and joining the team. All right, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I can give you a few seconds to subscribe right now. Let me give you a few seconds. Have you subscribed? All right, thank you. So today I flipped a $3 account. As you can see, after I deposited $10 right there, I had a few profits, a loss, profits, loss, a huge loss like right there, right? As you can see, then I had a string of losses all through, right? I almost blew the account. The account was left at $1, just a single dollar, right? Then I took the $1.29 to $3, and then from there, boom, I flipped the $3 all the way to almost $50, right? How did I do that? I came to realize the small mistake that I was doing. As you can see, these are the trades I took using the $3. So I had one lot, a micro lot of 0.01, boom. Then I scaled in some more, right? And the trade went as planned, right? So what did I do? The market was right here, pushed all the way to here. So I knew the market, after retracing a little bit, it will spike higher. So I just bought there and added more positions right there, and the market spiked 100 pips plus. So I took the entire profit, right? So this is the moving average, the 200 SMA, and I also have the RSI here to spot the divergences and retracement conditions, right? Yeah, so that is exactly a simple way to flip small accounts. All you need is a profitable strategy like I give for free on my Telegram group. So by there, make sure you check the link in the description below. So I have the Telegram group there and the channel also. So I use the channel to broadcast my trades, and the group we have discussions there. People ask questions, I answer all the questions on the divergences, and if anyone else spots a divergence on other currencies, they just post there, and we make money together from other currencies. So each and every person who is posting opportunities right there, they will help you have numerous opportunities flowing the entire day. You don't have to rely only on me. So you become a pro, start posting other divergences that you spot, and other people profit from you. That is how the entire community is doing. So make sure you join the group. It's all free. I don't charge anything. I don't sell courses. I don't sell signals. All you should do is just subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And every time you watch a video from this channel, make sure you like it, right? To help the team grow, all right? So that is it. That is how you grow as a small forex trader, right? I hope this information was very valuable and help you grow, right? Bye bye. Thank you.